Good morning friends, welcome to our channel. That name is Guruji and we will start the chapter number 5 of class 10th and chapter name is Arithmetic Progression. So what is the meaning of arithmetic progression? So in this session and in this class we will understand. Look at this one. Here it is written the definition of arithmetic progression. A sequence. So what is the meaning of sequence? Sequence हिंदी word is क्रम. जो एक संख्याएं क्रम से आती हैं उन्हें हम क्या बोलेंगे? सीक्वेंस बोलेंगे. यू कैन सी द डेफिनेशन हियर. A sequence is an arrangement of numbers in a definite order according to some rule. यदि वो कुछ रूल्स को फॉलो करते हैं उस चीज को हम क्या बोलते हैं? सीक्वेंस बोलते हैं. You can see here the 2, 4, 6, 8. The table of 2. Here it is written 2, 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, और 2 4 is 8. So these numbers are called sequence. बिकॉज ये एक ऑर्डर को फॉलो कर रहे हैं, क्रम को फॉलो कर रहे हैं, इसलिए हम इसको क्या बोल रहे हैं? सीक्वेंस. सो डेफिनेशन इज हियर एपी अ सीक्वेंस A1 A2 A3 A4 dot 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 AN is called an AP if there exists a constant D such that. अब ये डेफिनेशन आ सीक्वेंस किस तरीके से क्रम में है? A1 A2 A3 A4 एंड जैसे कि लिखा है 2 4 6 8 A1 A2 A3 A4 and so on. So first of all, this value is A1, second value A2 A3 A4. And how to know that is AP? So here it is the written A2 minus A1 equal to D, A3 minus A2 equal to D, A4 minus A3 equal to D, or the AN plus 1 minus AN equal to D and so on. Suppose if you write the A2, value of A2 is 4. So 4 minus 2 is equal to 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Here it is A3, value of A3 is 6. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2 and the last one 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. So that is the difference, common difference. So 2. So difference are same, so that is called the common difference. ओके. सो यदि ऐसी कोई सीरीज मिलती है जिसमें हम यदि सेकंड नंबर माइनस फर्स्ट नंबर या थर्ड नंबर माइनस सेकंड नंबर, फोर्थ नंबर माइनस थर्ड नंबर करते हैं और हमारे पास डिफरेंस सेम आता है, सो वो कहलाता है कॉमन डिफरेंस कहलाता है. ये कहलाती है आपकी अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन. ठीक है. अब आप बात करते हैं, यदि मान लें सपोज इफ यू हैव द फर्स्ट टर्म, सो फर्स्ट टर्म आपकी है, फर्स्ट टर्म इज इक्वल टू ए एंड द कॉमन डिफरेंस so common difference is equal to D. so AP क्या है आपके पास? AP is A plus D and A plus 2D, A plus 3D and so on. जैसे आप so on means last term तक find out कर सकते हैं. that is mean here. So here it is. See the first value, A value is 2, so then you can 2 is written and the A value is 2 and the D value is 2 also, and next one A value is 2 and the common difference is 2 into 2 and last number A2 plus 3 into 2 and so on. 2 plus 2 is 4, 2 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6 and 3 2 is 6 plus 2 is 8. So we will get the same number, it is written also. So 2 4 6 8 by the rule of A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. So okay, I think you can understand what is the meaning of arithmetic progression. There are only two things, first term and the common difference. Okay, 5.1 exercise and question number first here. What is the written here? Write first 4 terms if A equal to 10 and D equal to 40. हमको नेक्स्ट 4 टर्म फाइंड आउट करना है. सो हम कैसे कर सकते हैं? वी नो दैट हियर इट इज रिटन वी नो दैट if first term is A and common difference is D, then AP is A comma A plus D comma A plus 2D and A plus 3D dot 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 where A is equal to how much? A equal to 10 and D equal to 40. It is written. Okay friends, here you can see, write the first four terms if A equal to 10. So here we are A equal to 10 and D equal to 40. And this one is AP, so you have to find, put the value, putting the value of A and D. So A value is 10, comma 10 plus D. D value is A value is 10 and D value is 40. The next one 10 plus 2 into 40, and the third value 10 plus 3 into 40 dot. Okay friends, and you will get 10 as it is. 10 plus 40 is 50, and the 42 is 80. 80 plus 10 is 90, and 3 into 4, 3 4 is 12. 120. 120 plus 10 is 130. So here you can see. So this is the required number. Here it is, write the first four terms. You have to return 10, 50, 90 and 130. So this is your answer of question. Okay friends, and the next question is third. Write the first term and the common difference. The value is 3, 1, minus 1 and minus 3. So obviously you know well the first value always is A. So we have to write here the first term. So you can write here it is first term. First term A. A value is 3. And the second thing, you have to find the common difference. So you have to write common difference is equal to common difference. And how to get a common difference find? So common difference, that means D is equal to A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1. So common difference A2 minus A1, value of A2 is 1. 1 minus 3, so you will get minus 2. So your answer A is equal to 3 and common difference equal to minus 2. Okay, so this question you have completed. And okay, the next question is here, question number here next fourth पे. Is it AP or not? क्या ये arithmetic progression है या नहीं है? First one, and if they form an AP, find the common difference D and write 3 more terms. First of all, you have to prove this is AP. If they AP, then you have to find the next. How many? 3 more terms. So how to check? We have the formula A plus T, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and the first term. So here it is solution of question number first here. So 2, the value of A here, value A1 is equal to 2, A2 is equal to 4, and A3 is equal to 8, and A4 is equal to 60. So how to get the common difference? First of all, D equal to A2 minus A1. What is A2 is here? 4. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Next one, D, common difference, A3 minus A2. What is the value of A3? Is 8. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. The last one, number A4 minus A3. Here it is, A4 is 16. 16 minus 8 is equal to 8. When you get 2, 4, 8, the difference is not same. So you can write here A2 minus A1 not equal to A3 minus A2 and not equal to A4 minus A3. So you can write no, it is not an AP. Okay, so because the reason लिखना है, you can write also reason, because common difference is not same. Okay, next question here, minus 10, minus 6, minus 2 and 2. Same question number, and the next question you can see minus 10. So you can write solution is here, A1 equals to minus 10, A2 is equal to minus 6, A3 is equal to minus 2, and A4 is equal to 2. So now you can find the difference. D, A2 minus A1. So what will be here? A2 minus A1. A2 means value is minus 6 and here it is minus sign, so you have to put the minus sign, and value of A1 is negative, so in bracket minus 10. After solving you will get minus 6 minus minus plus 10. 10 minus 6 is it 4, because big number is positive sign, so that's why you can write this positive number. So it's called D. Next D, you have to find A3. A3 minus A2. So how did you get A3? Value of A3 is here minus 2. Minus 2 and same process, minus sign as it is, and then after A2, value is A2 is minus 6. So you have to write in bracket minus 2 minus minus plus 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. The last one, D, A4. A4 minus A3. A4 minus A3, that means 2, here it is 2 and minus 2. Minus minus plus. So 2 plus 2 is 4. So then you can see the result is A2 minus A1 equal to A3 minus A2 equal to A4 minus A3. All the common difference are same. So it is an AP. Okay, first of all we have to find out is it AP or not AP. But this is AP, so we have to find the next 3 terms. How to get? So by the help of common difference here. Common difference. So here it is the we have the last term of AP. So next term will be next 3 terms are. You can write the last number. So what will be the last number? It is here 2 and the common difference is 4. So now you can write 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. The next number 6 plus 4 is 10 and 10 plus 4 is equal to is 14. So answer is 6, 10, 14 your answer. Any doubt in this one? Because the last term is here 2 and common difference 4. So we have to add the preceding term. Preceding term कौन सी है आपकी? 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 4 is 14. So this